Okay, welcome to another video on my channel. So today, strip a screw. We all did this. You have a clone, I have a clone, and the screw on the clone is, well, objectively speaking, is pretty shit. So how do we deal with stripped screw? And you wanna gonna do this before you Loctite your Balisong. All right. Now, so the easy way to explain this is just to saw it crack in the middle and make a edge, and we use the flat driver screw. Okay, it's called flat driver screw, and make it easier to wedge it in and spin it. Now it is much more easy than just using a torque screw, T8 or T6. You don't usually get strip if you're using T10, but if you have a T8 you should do this. Now, so first of all, let's take that out. I mean, usually the side of the screw that you usually strip is when you tighten it, right? You tighten it too tight and it's just strip. Now after we do that, take out the pivots. Okay, and we'll just leave this here and wipe the excess oil. Okay, get that in together like you have some sort of a place you can hold before you do it. Now what you're gonna need is either a handsaw or this. It's like a mini screw. It's like a mini drill, right? You use it for art and craft, DIY and stuff. I got this for $5. It's pretty cheap. Also, you have to get a separate like diamond disc like this one. It is also cheap, about $2 or one. I will leave the link to Amazon so you can check it for reference, and you can go find it on your preferable online shopping website. So let me just power this up. Okay, here we go. It's plugged in, it's connected, and when we're gonna do this, it's gonna get real hot, so you're gonna wrap something around the pivot and hold it, and it's gonna get dusty, so you might want to wipe your table down after this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, after moving it back and forth, you use the flat driver. Check if it's comfortable to turn. It doesn't move a lot. I have tighten this up. Okay. So that's how you deal with strip screw. And also you also want to file this down. It doesn't leave sharp edges. There, it's done. And you can also use some something to bluff, like knife bluff or something, make it shinier. Yeah, but that's about that.